Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to Miss Brenda Dee Play. Today, we will be making cauliflower fried rice. Yes, I said it. Cauliflower fried rice. And here are our ingredients. Okay, guys, in this bowl, I have 1 pound of shrimp. And to my shrimp, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Get our shrimp nice and coated with our ingredients. Okay, now we're going to add this to our pan. Okay, here I have preheated my skillet. Now I will be adding in 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Now we're going to start adding in our shrimp. These are some shrimp that I purchased from the local butchers here. I'm going to try to get all of them in the skillet at one time so I won't have to make multiple batches. We're going to allow our shrimp to cook for 1 minute to 2 minutes on each side. And then we're going to take them out of our skillet and set them aside. Okay, now that we have all our shrimp in our skillet, we're going to allow them to cook for 1 minute to 2 minutes. And then we're going to come back and flip them. Okay, guys, now we're going to flip our shrimp. Let them cook for another minute on the other side. And then we're going to remove them from our skillet. Now we're going to remove our shrimp. Okay. Now we're going to add in 3 eggs that I whisked. nice and cooked. Again, they don't have to be cooked so they're just hard, because they will be added back to the skillet as well. So now, with those are done, we're gonna make sure they're nice and chopped up, and we're gonna remove this as well. Now we're going to turn our skillet down to a medium heat. And we're going to add a tablespoon of avocado oil. Now we're going to add in a cup and a half of peas and carrots. I should have had this measured out like I had everything else measured out that I did. I apologize, y'all. I did not have these measured out. Okay. We're going to let our peas and carrots cook for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just using the frozen peas and carrots. I might have should have had those thawed out too, but I didn't, y'all. Okay, y'all, it's been 3 minutes, and our carrots are actually fork tender, and that's what we need. Now we're gonna add in our green onion, the white part. A little of the green in there too, but mostly the white part. Then we're gonna add in our ginger. I found this ginger right here at my local butcher's, and it's similar. So that way, I just mixed it up. It's let me see, freeze-dried ginger, and then our garlic. We're gonna let this cook for another minute. Be careful not to burn your garlic, because that's thing that will burn kind of quick on me is the garlic. So. Okay, y'all. Been about a minute. Next, we're gonna add in our cauliflower. I used the frozen one, but I let it thaw out. Then we're gonna add in our coconut amino and our sesame seed oil. Everything is just coming together. Okay, guys, and we're back. Now it's been 2 minutes. And y'all, the smell that's coming out of this skillet, oh my goodness. Yes. So now we're going to add back in our shrimp. And our egg. Make sure when you do your eggs to get them nice and whisked. Mine didn't get all the way whisked too good because it's still got white, but you want your egg to be yellow. So we're gonna mix all this in together. Now look at that. Doesn't that look so delicious? That looks so delicious, y'all. Okay, at this part, we're going to let this cook for another minute. And also, you can taste to see if this is fine for you. Because at this part is where you add in more salt, if you need salt, if you need more pepper. And so I'm going to add a little bit, some more pepper. And if need be, if you want to add more of the soy sauce, or well, not soy sauce, but liquid aminos, you can at this point. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, maybe a tablespoon more. That's all I want. About a tablespoon more of that, and mix it up. Now, you want to make sure the shrimp is finished getting cooked. So y'all, I'm gonna let this finish cooking for another 30 seconds. Then I will come back and plate. And guys, I almost forgot the green part of my green onion. I almost forgot it, y'all. Almost. Y'all, if y'all could be in my kitchen, it smells so good in here. Okay, we're gonna let this finish and then we're gonna plate. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Now we're gonna put my fire. And then now on your plate. Put some of our fried rice on the plate. Y'all, I wish I was in my kitchen. It smells so good. Okay, guys, I want you that. Look how good that looks, y'all. And, oh my goodness, y'all. Look how that came out. Y'all, it smells so good. I'm sure I tasted some earlier, so and it tastes good as well. But I'm gonna taste something for y'all. Just a second. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna taste it for you. Y'all, if anyone knows or been paying attention, I've been on a weight loss journey. And I like to make little weight loss, meals. And if that's what y'all want if this is something that y'all would like to see, I would do more videos like this. Because my sister, she likes the savory and the stuff that'll get you full. I like doing things like this because this is something that I prefer to eat. So if y'all want to see more videos like this, just let me know. I will continue to show y'all things that I eat or I have eaten since I've been trying to lose weight. So I'm gonna taste this right here for y'all. That tastes good, y'all. Yes. Everything came together quite good, quite nice. But like I said, if you want to see more videos like this of me showing things that I've eaten or things that I'm gonna eat during the week, like because I meal prep. So normally I do stuff like this. It's gonna last a few days. Like this might last me a few days because I'm gonna actually add this into a meal prep for me for the week. So y'all, if y'all want to see more stuff like that, just let me know and I'll continue to put them up. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me cook for you guys today. Don't forget to like, share, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And like Miss Brenda Dee always says, have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now.